Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Woburn Toyota in Woburn, Massachusetts, we have the 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime. These are pretty hard to come by. I believe we have 4 or 5 new ones in stock, although that's probably going to last for about 2 days. Of course, this one's the Prime SE. There's a sticker on the other side. Sweet. Sticker price of $40,377. 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 302 net horsepower. It's actually pretty quick. I mean, I just stepped out of... That was impressive that I did that. I just stepped out of the Focus RS. And I still think this thing hauls. Let's go for a drive. Now right now I do have it in charge mode, maybe because I want the batteries to have a full charge for the next customer. So yes, it is in charge mode, not full hybrid mode. So that means it's going to keep the engine running to charge the battery. We're already almost halfway there. It's also nice because in charge mode it's going to run the engine, which is going to allow it to break in a little bit faster. Obviously this is a brand new car, so still needs to go through engine break-in procedures. And that's the thing with these hybrid cars, they don't run the engines all that much, especially plug-in hybrids, so it's actually really good to sit there and run the engine. I think I read online there was one case of, I think, a Hyundai Ioniq where it would run for maybe a mile in the guy's commute. And what happened was there was so much condensation in the engine, it actually got a bunch of water in the oil. So obviously not good. So that's why it's good to have the engine run sometimes and allow it to fully warm up. You know, because if you just picture just driving a car for a mile, turning it on for a minute, maybe 2, and then shutting it off, it's not really warmed up. As always, in the sportiest settings, normal drive with the drive mode in sport. 302 horsepower is really impressive for these. I mean, it feels properly quick. Obviously not Aston Martin DBS quick, but enough to be surprising. That Boston traffic. Whoa. You know what? As a petrol head car guy, yeah, I love engine noise. But if hybrid and electric vehicles make a RAV4 this fun, all for it. All for the ID4 too. Because, you know, Tiguan's aren't that quick. They really aren't. I wish they put more motors in that. A little bit better tune in that. Full EV mode, I think. I like that. It allows you to floor it in EV mode. Thank you. Honestly though, it's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive amount of pull without a gas motor. That's pretty good. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.